Art in South Asia, Maldives. The Maldives, officially the Republic of Maldives and historically known as Maldive Islands, is a country and archipelagic state in South Asia in the Indian Ocean. The Maldives is named after the main island and capital, Mali. The Maldives are famous for being one of the most beautiful holiday destinations currently in existence. In addition to her geographical beauty, the Maldives also has a beautiful culture. There is a rich tradition of Maldivian craft, lacquered wooden ornaments, finely woven reed mats, and coral carving are craft that has been passed down through several generations. History of Maldive art. Maldives is the smallest predominantly Muslim country in the world, and the archipelago was visited by traders and sailors for centuries due to its convenient geographical location. It is said that a prince named Komala from Sri Lanka entered the Maldives and became the first king. The ancient kings of Maldives promote Buddhism, and the first work of art and writing are from that period. However, at the end of the 12th century AD, the nation converted into Islam. The artwork and history of Maldives directly represent the cultural heritage of the people and the nation as a whole. While the Maldivian economy is based mainly on fisheries, the art and craft industry is also flourishing. The country is home to fine stone carving which have strong connection to do with Islamic art. It is believed that traders from the Arab nation were the primary source of Islamic influence in the nation, and his influence is reflected in all forms of Maldivian arts and craft. Maldive arts and craft. When it when it comes to Maldive art and crafts, it can be said that the traditions of craft making is not new and is being passed on one generation to another. The main factor that can be attributed to the making of the wonderful tradition art and craft of Maldives are the specialization of its people and easy availability of raw material like the special reeds and grasses that are utilized for weaving mats. Maldives handicraft item can be classified into different categories, namely lacquerwares, woven mats, coconut product, vote building and jewelries, silver, gold, mother of pearl, and corals. There are several handicrafts household items like coconut graters, wooden mortars, and coconut shell spoon, etc. The shell like real hot cakes in the market. There are awesome jewelry pieces made from mother of pearl and black coral that truly adorn the woman. The liquor craft of the Maldives. Liquorwares are objects decoratively covered with liquor. Liquorwares include small or large container, tablewares of a variety of small objects carried by people, and larger or objects such as furniture and even coffins painted with lacquer. Before lacquering, the surface is something painted with picture, inlaid with shell and other material, or carved. The lacquer can be dusted with gold or silver and given further decorative treatment. Liyela Jihon. Lacquer wood work of every shape and form is uniformly referred to as Liyela Jihon in the Maldives. The craft has a long history, and creating this masterpiece in lacquer is a time-consuming and arduous process. process. There are two stages in creating beautiful lacquer. First is the preparing the lacquer, and the second one is the folding lacquer. Preparing lacquer. La or lacquer is prepared first. First thing, this required lacquer that is important into the Maldives from neighboring nation. While most of us see lacquerware as being similar in color and shades, each piece of lacquer work contains variety of colors that have been created by mixing different pigments. As a liquid material, lacquer melts within seconds, and in the Maldives, lacquer usually comes in stick form and must be melted slowly over a fire. The melting lacquer paints is then slowly scraped off the stick onto a flat dish where it is mixed the various color pigments. The pigment is called uguli in Ndivi, the Maldivian native language, and must be added while it is still hot. Folding lacquer. After adding colors, the lacquer is folded and flipped to bring forth the ideal hue or shade. Local artisan will often beat it with a hammer. Those who are based at Adaran select Hudhuran Fushi and similar rest can attend a lacquer workshop as a part of their itinerary of Maldives excursion and witness a demonstration of this process. Maldivian woven grass mat. Weaving kuna mats was a tradition practiced by women in Gaaf Dal, the Maldives, starting as humble household mat used for sitting, praying, and sleeping. They eventually evolved it into larger mats with intricate Islamic-inspired patterning, usually using local grass, which once dried is dyed with earth tone natural dyes. Maldivian mats eventually became a status symbol in a coastal South Asia and its neighboring island. The best one were gifted to emissaries and rulers the world over. This mat, missing one narrow border at each end, is in a very good condition and of a European provenance. It is spectacularly and intricately patterned and has never been used. The craft of Maldivian boat building. The Maldives tradition boat making craft, one of the greatest example of Maldivian craftsmanship. Dones originally resemble Arabian dove and were traditionally made with the timber with coconut palm. The versatile vessel were measured and built without documents plan which reflect the skills of the local craftsmen. They are available from all small as 3-meter version for short ride and as long as 30-meter for long lighter journey. The Maldivian boat Duwani is a product of cultural heritage, skillfully crafted to sustain a lifestyle deep connected in the sea. Maldives Collection. Introducing the mesmerizing Maldives Collection, drawing inspirations from the breathtaking beauty of this lagoon surrounded island. This collection harmoniously combined the serene blue hues reminiscent of the sparkling ocean water with vivid pops of deep purple, mirroring the magical sunset that paint the sky above the island paradise. Thank you.